I'm Crystal with the Zaylee's Garden, and for today's video, we're actually going to do some much needed garden cleanup. I actually wasn't going to show this process because it's not fun, but I figured it would be really good to show just a realistic, small backyard gardening space that has gotten a little out of control and needs a good cleanup. So let's go and do that. But first, I don't know if you can see, but it's really nice and cloudy today, so it's perfect for cutting grass and weeding and all that. I just want to show you the state of the backyard because it's not looking the greatest. We've got a lot of clover, a lot of weeds galore. I also need to weed the raised beds because there's always a little bit of fluff everywhere. I do already have some cucumbers that are up that I'll probably plant today just to get them out of their trays. But we are pretty thick on the weeds. I do need to do a little bit of cleanup here. And I do have to tackle this project here because it is horrifying. But that'll probably be its own video because it's gonna take me a long time. Okay, let's get started. So we have this electric mower that I absolutely love. I think it's so cool, so easy. You don't have to fill it up with gas and just charge the batteries and go. And now we go. I have so many houseplants over here that actually need to go inside or just need to get rid of. We'll be repotting this lemon tree in another video. Well, I was gonna gut this yard and start over fresh with nice grass seed. I figured it was just gonna be too much work. As a military family, we move every 3 years, and due to some unforeseen circumstances, we will be moving in about 4 months. It's really not worth my time and effort to do that here. I know there's gonna be some really pissed off grass cutters that say I'm doing this wrong, but one, it's mainly weeds, and two, it's fine. This actually got neglected when we went on our trip to Texas in December, so it's time to say goodbye. One thing about Hawaii is that it could look like it's gonna be a hurricane 1 second and the next it's bright and sunny. I'm sweating. Now that that's done, I'm gonna use this tool here. I don't even know what it's called, but I love it, especially because here in Hawaii, I feel like the weeds are just always growing. And since these are surface weeds, I'm just gonna pull them out like this using this little tool, and then I can come back in and rake them up. Just gotta be careful with our plants here that we don't wanna accidentally pull on. Just dig a little deeper for some of these since I don't have many plants on this one yet. Some of these just are super deep. I am sweating so bad. I think I'm done for today. I got everything done that I planned on doing, and I got to plant my cucumber seedlings, which I'm really happy about. Once they get their roots in the ground, they take off. I know I have to take care of all of the indoor plants that are on the side by my hose link, but that's going to be for another day, as well as the potting area on the other side of my house. I really dislike these days where you have to cut grass and weeds and all that. They're not my favorite. So let me know if you have any tricks on how you keep your garden up to date, because it's not my favorite thing to do. All right, till next time. Bye.